Hello and welcome to this episode of Creating with Howcraft. My name is Denise Yesback-Moore with howcraftcollection.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create my heavenly bracelet. The tools and supplies you will need to create this bracelet are round nose pliers, wire cutters, chain nose pliers, 8 and 10 millimeter Czech glass fire polish rounds in purple hues, Czech glass aqua rondelles 6 by 8 millimeters, 6 millimeter dyed howlite. For this bracelet, I used a dyed aqua druzy agate in the shape of a crescent moon. For the demonstration bracelet, I will be using this aqua eye pendant. 4 millimeter jump ring, 6 millimeter jump ring, lobster clasp, and 7-ply wax linen cording. You can use any cording of your choice as long as it fits through the bead holes. A complete list of the jewelry making supplies and beads, along with printable PDF instructions, can be found on howcraftcollection.com. Search Heavenly Bracelet. Grabbing a 4 millimeter jump ring. This is how we open and close the jump ring. We're going to open that jump ring, attach our lobster clasp, and close the jump ring. Cut a 27-inch length of 7-ply wax linen cording. We're going to grab our lobster clasp and we're going to string that down probably about 5 inches, and we are going to form an overhand knot. We're just moving the knot down, separate the strands, and pull it tight. I just strung a purple 10 millimeter round onto the long strand, and we are going to form an overhand knot. I'm just moving this knot down. You can grab your round nose pliers and pull that knot down to make sure it's nice and tight. I just strung my second dark purple bead all the way down, forming our overhand knot, and I'm just sliding that knot down. You can pick up your round nose pliers, pull it, and the knot is nice and tight. In order to save time, I'm going to go ahead and string the other beads. I just strung my 2 dark purples, the medium purples, and the light purples. These are 10 millimeter, 11 of the Czech glass aqua rondelles, and 2 of the 6 millimeter dyed howlites. I just strung my 6 millimeter jump ring down to the end. I'm going to form an overhand knot, and I'm just pushing that down, grabbing my round nose pliers, pulling it tight. I like to do a second knot to make sure it's nice and secure. We can just pull that down and pull it nice and tight. Let's create these little dangles at the end. Come over, form an overhand knot, move that knot down, pull it nice and tight. I just strung my purple 8 millimeter bead down. We're going to form another overhand knot. I'm holding that bead down. It's nice and tight to the previous knot. We can grab our round nose pliers, pull it nice and tight. I'm going to trim that little end, and with our round nose pliers, I'm just going to come in and separate the cording to give it a finished look. I'm going to pause the video and complete this step on the other side of the bracelet. You can see I completed the other side. Our last step is to attach our charm. I just grabbed my eye pendant and I'm opening and closing my jump ring. Open, attach, and close the jump ring. And there you have it, how to create my heavenly bracelet. If you are watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe at HowCraftUSA. Follow us on Instagram at HowCraftCollectionBeads. Be sure to visit HowCraftCollection.com for more inspirational DIY projects and for all your jewelry making needs. New beads are added weekly, and each week HowCraftCollection.com features an amazing new sale. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.